Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm very excited today though because the turbo is coming in tomorrow, and WRD, Nigel and his dad has said come and drop the car off today. We'll start on it today. So basically they're just gonna get the old turbo off, I'm guessing, today, and then tomorrow they'll just put the new one in and it'll be ready by like 4. So I'm super hyped about this. I actually have some E30 in the car still. It's like only about like how much the reserves are, so about 2 gallons. So hopefully by the time I drive over there to the shop, it'll go down in more. I'm gonna try to get the car up to temperature because I just started the car, and probably do a little bit of spirited driving. But this is gonna be like the last time that the car will be stock KO3, and it's very exciting. This is the last time I'm gonna drive this car stock KO3, so I'm probably gonna switch over to the POV position and just drive around with it like a POV. If WRD watches these videos, he probably doesn't. Nigel might, but I know everybody else probably doesn't over there. But if they do, thank you so much for your help on this, because again, we were talking about trying to get it done before Big Euro, and I told him, you know, maybe next week, the turbo, if the turbo comes in like tomorrow or the next day, we can just, you know, get it done next week sometime. But they were like, no, we'll just bring it in now. The turbo should be here tomorrow. That's what shipping says, or the tracking information says. So basically they were like, just bring it in, we'll get it done, get it going. And I, you know, I feel a little special, but thank you guys. Alright guys, so I'll probably have to let it cool down. Oh yeah, saying goodbye to the Volkswagen. Last time we're seeing the Volkswagen, guys. Look at it, look at it. We're gonna say goodbye to it. Oh, rest in peace. Alright, we're gonna go walk up to the shop. Nigel took off without telling me, and I need to grab some more stuff from there. So look at all these stuff. These are like the Subaru and a Neon SRT or something, or it looks like it because it's boosted. Now he's gonna get up in the air, and he's gonna, you know, finish up, or start some stuff. But I'm gonna give it to him. Hopefully this video is a nice video that we can see the comparison between the KO3 and KO4. It all depends up on Nigel's camera skills, so we'll see if he remembers that all anyways.
As so. Like the lift is like stuck in together, so I have to put it out.
Yeah, like you see, like this is Nigel's life right here. It's just, nothing goes easy. This should have taken 30 seconds, but you know, it just has to break. Drop off the car, Uber back home. Man, Uber is expensive, man. 25 bucks for like a 20-minute drive. Anyways, so I think tonight we're gonna actually still be going to the car meet. I think Nigel's just gonna pick me up because he's gonna work on the car for a little bit until they kind of close. They usually close around 5, and then he'll probably come pick me up and we'll go to the meet. So hopefully you guys will see this in 3, 2, 1, meet time. This boy picked me up from my house because my car's down. Nobody's fault. It's actually a good thing that the car is down right now. What's up guys, Nigel picked me up from work. I'm on break right now and they just finished up with the turbo install, so it's gonna be really fun. That color is like an ashy gray.
It's really weird.
I thought it was white when you first sent me the picture.
It's like,
oh, this one looks really nice. I really like the color. Nigel, how was it? He did it literally.
CTS.
I'm gonna say he did it in.
well, we didn't start till like 11 today because
I know. That's what I was gonna say. I was like, you guys probably did it in like 6 maybe, and that's with complications.
Yeah.
So that's pretty baller. I would have taken like 3 days, like I told you. So as you guys can probably notice, you can't really tell anything is different in here at all. You can't even see back there, right? You can't really see anything. Can you see anything? There, you can barely see it's a little bit new. Shiny stuff. Well, yeah, got the paperwork done. Are you going to the gas station with me or what? What are you doing?
No, I was gonna.
So Nigel's gonna be going home. I gotta go to work, but I think we're gonna go to the gas station and fill up 91, put the base tune on, and tonight we're gonna do some logs. So yeah, we'll be back to have them drive this car too after it's all tuned up and ready to go. And of course, we're going down to Big Girl with them. Yeah, we are in the car and it sounds normal, feels normal, everything's normal. Got a car right behind me for some reason, like he just wanted to park right behind me, so I gotta get out of here now. So I'm driving home right now, and there's a lot of traffic, and they hit a little like a corner, a little like, you know, a little fast, not that fast, you know, just like a pretty how do you call it, steep corner or curvy corner. This boom in the back, and I got so scared, but I totally forgot that they put the old KO4x back there in the CTS box. So I looked back there, I was like, oh, that's what that was. I was really scared. I was like, all right, so right now I'm still on actually like a little bit of E30. I'm in the reserves, about like 15-20 miles left on the tank. That's what the car says. I'm not on another tune. I'm on my stage 2 E30 tune right now because I'm gonna go to the gas station as we speak right now and going to get fill up the whole thing with 91, switch it over to the base map from Get Watkins, German tuning. Thank you, Brad, again, if he's watching this, because I know he watches some of these videos. But thank you, Brad, for hooking it up, as always. So we're going to flash his bass tune for it, and then go ahead and probably just drive to work for now. And I'll probably see you guys in about, you know, whatever,